Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the Pentomino Yurt. It's a design by Volker Latusek. And the name Yurt is from the Mongolian tent, and yeah, you recognize perhaps the yurt shape a bit. So what we have here is a square grid with Pentomino pieces in this round shape, and the goal, as usual, is to get the Pentomino pieces out and in again. And here is an opening. The pieces can't come out, but we can rotate them. And here you see the rotation, and the first piece that comes out is the L shape, and I need to align them carefully, and then hopefully the L shape moves out. And once we have the L shape out, we rotate a bit more. We get the Z shape out, and from there on things should become a bit easier. Let's see whether I can get, yeah, the I shape out, and then gradually, one by one, all of them come out. And actually I'm now stuck at one place that's even more complicated, because at this point there is one, this is really hard to rotate, and to get all the other pieces out, and I've been gotten stuck here before. Anyway, it's a nice puzzle to solve. It's not extremely hard, but the rotation, and especially this piece of dexterity here, where we have get these pieces out, make it quite interesting. And my question to you is, how can we make this puzzle even more interesting? Thank you for watching.